underneath everything. So we have this preset from Spire. Very nice fat bass. Some bit of sidechain because we're gonna add some rhythm in this one. So I decided that's what we're gonna do. A bit of high cut. Don't want too much because we already have a lot of high end from the lead. Okay, so now let's make a bassline pattern. But first, gotta cut some low end here because but not too much. We still want the fullness from this one. Okay, let's go into the plug pattern. Oh wait, let's just rename this so we can keep track of stuff. Just because we're in camera today, so gotta keep it nice and clean for you guys. I try to be organized in my project files, but it's not easy always. Lead, melody, whatever. Boom. Yeah, nice plug. So let's add some bassline here. Now we know the bass notes are these. So okay, what I like to do with my bass lines is first of all also the glide, which you can have here in Inspire, the mono 4 legato flow, and then the glide knob here. So that means whenever one note hits the other, it's gonna glide into it and make a nice effect. So I like to do this to have some moving element as well in the bass line. And we're gonna add a little drum afterwards, so you understand why I sidechain this this bad boy. Okay, last note. Let's not move it in. Okay, cool. Let me just quickly organize this because, like I said, nice and clean, so we know where everything is. Okay. Let's just mute this for now. Okay, so here we have this one, a little nice thumpy kick that I use quite often in my build-ups and just as a little feeling of, okay, something is gonna happen now, you know, there you always feel a little thump like a kick drum in your chest. It's not gonna be like fully out there, just a bit in the back like this. So we did some high cut here. And now we are gonna add this to okay, so let's add a bit of extra rhythm. Nice little extra rhythm here. Yep. Okay. So now I'm just doing this to kind of just feel how everything is gonna sound when it's all together. I like to make everything first so I know if it's gonna work or not, because If it all sounds nicely together at first, then I know, okay, I can make a song out of this. So